In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install a 100% save file in Assassin's Creed Brotherhood. Check my video description for the save file download link. Right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. And now navigate to this PC, C drive, users, username, and saved games. Assassin's Creed Brotherhood saves. Before dropping the save, you need to back up your saves. Copy and paste it to desktop and open the saves and drag and drop the save file in this location and replace the file in the destination. Once you've done this, launch the game. Once you are in game, go to story mode and 100% save file successfully loads. Select the story and the save file is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.